Hi everybody, Chandler Daggett here at MarineMax in Lake of the Ozarks, and today we have listed a 2013 Chaparral 330 Signature. It's a black and white boat. It's got about 372 hours on the twin 350 mag Mercruisers, about 112 hours on the generator. This boat is in very good condition, does have DTS, upgraded waves and wheels sound system. Comes with a cockpit cover as well, as you see the isinglass up here. Great boat for Lake of the Ozarks. Nice spacious cabin down below. You've got a refrigerator up top. The V-berth. And you can see the sun pad there being kept out of the weather. Kitchen. Nice head. So if you'd like more information about this boat, give me a call at 573-480-4549 or check us out online at www.marinemax.com.